I'm just one day away from the halfway point of this 100-day challenge to get to 10K MRR, and I just added one of the most powerful features yet to VibeScan, and it's the ability to automatically fix the issues that VibeScan finds. Check this out. I ran this scan earlier, and we see a variety of different issues, and I can click the fix button, and over here as before, I have a fix prompt that I could paste into something like cursor to fix the problem. But now we actually see this menu down here that shows us all of the different issues associated with this file. So we can see there were a number of different findings, and I can decide which ones I want to fix, but all I have to do is press this button, fix 8 issues. Now we see that a fix is queued, and what's going to happen behind the scenes is that we're actually going to spin up a dedicated instance of Claude Code that is going to receive all of the instructions on what it needs to fix, and it's going to open a pull request with all of the changes for this file. Now we see it's working on the fix, and now all of these issues have been fixed, so we can actually click here and see a pull request opened by VibeScan. Take a look at that. It fixed 8 issues across a number of different categories. Here's the actual code changes that it made. So definitely some non-trivial changes here. This isn't like a one-line change. Now let's try one more thing and make sure that it actually fixed more issues than it introduced. So I'm going to run a new scan. I'm going to paste the branch ID there. And this scan is going to run much quicker because it only has to really scan that one additional file. And there it is. The scan is finished, and we see the number of issues go down from 7 to 5. Now, it did introduce a different issue, so I still have to figure out a way to get it to notice those issues before it makes the pull request and kind of have a recursive cycle to fix itself before it calls the code finished. But in general, it feels pretty magical to be able to scan your code and then get automatic fixes just like that. I'm looking forward to building on this feature to make it smarter and work across multiple files, and adding that magical button that lets you fix all the issues across all of the different files. That's going to be a really cool moment. I also have to be careful with controlling costs because running Claude Code for all of these changes does cost a lot of money. But for now, I'm just super proud of this feature. It was pretty difficult to implement, but obviously super valuable, and I'm really happy with it. I still can't believe that I can get an automatic pull request opened for these fixes. So now we got just one more day of build week, and we'll be at the halfway point for this challenge, at which point I'm going to be switching gears into marketing and making some really cool videos. I think I'll probably make a video about this feature because it is really interesting to see how you can actually embed Claude Code into a product. I think that's really exciting from a technical perspective and shows off VibeScan. I'm definitely getting ready to switch gears, but we got one more build day. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care.